हेलो।
हाँ जी। क्यों हंस रही हो पहले से ही?
क्योंकि मैं
आए हो?
कुछ लेकर आई हूँ आपके
क्या
लिए।
लेके आए हो? वही कुछ पूछने आई
एक
हो
और
हंस रही हो पहले
प्रश्न।
से। हाँ,
यस।
पूछो।
ओके, द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई यू शुडंट बी स्कैटर्ड विद योर प्रायोरिटीज।
Why I shouldn't be what?
शुडंट बी स्कैटर्ड विद योर प्रायोरिटीज।
Okay, तो बहुत ही simple है. If I will not have my priorities set for the day, I will be able to achieve nothing at the end of this one day also. And what if I have no priorities set for the life? Anybody कोई तुम्हें अगर मैं बताऊंगी नहीं what are my priorities for the day, तुम तो यहाँ आओगी, कॉफी पियोगी, बातें करोगी, कुछ भी करके चली जाओगी. When I know what is the priority for the day, I will say ये करना है. I will achieve that also, and then you and I will get the time to have coffee also together, which we do.
Which we do, true.
Yeah, but what if I have no priorities set? If they are like all scattered and I say कुछ भी कर लो. There are days when I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, and then I am sure you do end up doing nothing. You try to act like you're doing something, but you end up doing nothing. Am I right or wrong?
You are right.
So it is just in a day. Imagine my life without those priorities.
Yeah.
Okay, don't imagine my life. Imagine your life. Let's imagine your life
Okay.
without priorities. Yeah. So let's say whether marriage is your priority or not.
Let's focus back on your priority.
Okay, like TVMS.
Yeah.
Yeah, whether TVMS is my, why just my priority?
It-
Priority of the entire team.
Yeah.
Not just even yours.
No, it
The
is.
other people also in the
Exactly.
team. Yeah.
Exactly.
Santosh, Rajwal, even Srishti. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, सबका प्रायोरिटी होना चाहिए ना. We all know कि हमारा प्रायोरिटी इस समय क्या है. TVMS है, जॉय
वर्कशॉप
है ना, ये जॉय शॉप है जो बन रहा है.
True.
Yeah.
Oops, you have revealed a secret.
So if
It
you
was
don't-
supposed to
yeah,
be a
and there are
surprise.
few other priorities. I mean,
Exactly.
you know, if we don't have, so whatever actions, whatever anything that we're doing in
Yeah.
will yield nothing. Yeah, and when we know कि my priority right now is this, I will be able to, all of us together can focus on the right tasks.
True.
You know, when you take even a small step in the right direction, it adds up. But when you take, even if you're taking giant leaps, but they're not taking you in that direction, it is useless.
Exactly.
Yeah, so scattered होगा मेरा priority तो कैसे चलेगा? Okay, I have currently 10 goals. But do I intend to achieve all the 10 goals in this moment itself? No. मेरा एक goal to finish my current book भी है. Yeah.
Exactly.
But I need to know कि मेरे लिए 2024 में क्या क्या priorities हैं.
True.
Is it this or this?
True.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
when I know okay these 10 priorities में these 3 are my top, other 5 are okay, we have to do something in that direction. And the ones in the end, okay, I have to keep thinking कुछ उस direction में मिले तो हमें उस पे ध्यान देना है.
हाँ.
Yeah, so it is then not scattered.
Completely ignore नहीं करना है.
Exactly, we are moving in the right direction.
Yeah.
We all have 10 goals at a time.
True.
Tell me one person who doesn't have 10 goals at a time.
Really.
It can be a relationship goal, but वो भी तो goal होते हैं
वो भी
यार.
तो है, उसके लिए भी तो
Weight
वर्क
loss
करना ही
करना है,
है.
वो भी goal हो सकता है. मुझे नहीं करना है. पर किसी को करना है तो. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
So those are also goals, ना?
Yeah.
So we all have 10 goals at a time. You have to, if you can prioritize them. Okay, I know I will not prioritize, let's say, I will not prioritize my diet over my work or my, or for someone it can be, okay, my diet is even more important than my work. ज़रूरी है, मेरे को वर्कआउट करना है, मेरे लिए वर्कआउट को मैं मिस कर सकता हूँ लेकिन डाइट को
नहीं कर
नहीं
सकता.
करूँगा. I will go strictly by my diet. I'm just
हाँ.
giving an example.
Yeah,
I know
yeah.
it's a very mundane example. but it is very important
Hmm.
to at least prioritize things so that you eventually reach where you want to, not somewhere. The
Hmm.
idea is not to reach somewhere. We are already somewhere. And we are not going someplace somewhere. We are going where my heart desires. Your
Okay.
heart desires. Right?
Right.
So it's important to scare it all up. To have it all listed. Yeah? Have
Yeah.
you listed yours?
Yes.
Good.
Of
Good
course I
going.
have.
Good going.
Thank you.
Yeah,
See you
bye.
next time.